Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this 2016 Toyota order picker, model number 7BPUE15, ID number E009774. This Toyota order picker has a 3,000 pound capacity and it runs on a 24-volt battery. You'll see up here on top that it has a flashing yellow strobe, and looking at the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 240 inches. Coming up here to the front, we have 42-inch standard tapered forks. And I want to show you some of these other features, starting with the dead man switch here on the floor. We also have side gates that lift and lower. And we have lights for the operator on both sides, operated with a simple switch here. And we also have operator fans on both sides. There's also a couple other creature comforts in terms of a great place to put your clipboard, and we have a paper clip up here as well. If you have any questions about this order picker, or you'd like to demo, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on other equipment that we have available, as well as features that you need to know about.